Now we'll talk about the relation between the curvilinear and the angular system. Okay, so what do we have as relation between both of them? We know that as angular we talk about angle theta, we talk about angular speed theta prime, we talk about angular acceleration theta double prime. As in the curvilinear we talk about s, v and at. Now من وين اجت هيدي relation اللي هي s equal to r times theta? This relation إذا بتتذكروا أنتوا بالmath, okay, you have that for a whole turn we talk about something called the perimeter واللي هي the length طول هيدا الcircle واللي هي بتساوي إذا بتتذكروا 2 pi times r. في يكتبوا بطريقة تانية يعني r times 2 pi. طب هيدا length or هيدا perimeter كله مش بنسميه نحنا s بالفيزيكس اللي هي عبارة عن the position إذا كان برمت كل البرمة the whole position, and r هي حطيتها مثل ما هي. طيب 2 pi مش هي عبارة عن angle يعني قد ايه برم؟ so لكن هي it will be s equal r times theta. ليه؟ لأنه for example لنفرض أنا ما أخذت كل البيريمتر، ما أخذت كل السيركل، لنفرض بس أخذت لهيدي النقطة only, then محل البيريمتر we'll talk about what? We'll talk about only this length and not p. And محل 2 pi we'll talk about only this angle and not 2 pi. So حيطلع عندي لكن the relation is s equal r times theta, means this arc here is equal to r times theta. This will be the relation between the curvilinear system اللي هو in terms of s and the angular system اللي هو in terms of theta. Now بالنسبة للrelations الباقيين اوكي نحن بنعرف انه v equal من وين اجت هيدي؟ نحن بنعرف انه v is equal to s prime. So by derivative of this we'll have r theta prime, and at is equal to v prime. So كمان by another derivative we'll have r times theta double prime. So عملت لها لهيدي ال v derivative, and we know that an equal v square over r. محل ال v شو في عمل substitution? We can substitute r times theta prime. So by substitution حيطلع عندي ال answer it's r theta prime كلها square over r. بعمل simplify we'll have only one radius, then this means at equal r theta double prime and an equal r theta prime square. These are the relation between the angular and curvilinear system. Let's do now an exercise, an application. So a particle m is moving along a circle radius وانا عم بشتغل a circular trajectory and such that its curvilinear position is given by. So عاطين the curvilinear abscissa or the curvilinear position. Determine the angular position. لما عم بقول determine the angular position, this means we must find theta equal to how much at any instant and then deduce its value. So لما عم بقول determine theta بتطلع we need a relation between s and theta. We know that s is equal to r times theta. This means theta is equal to s over the radius. We have s هيها, we have the radius equals 2 meter, so we divide, we obtain the answer in terms of time. بعدين deduce at t0 and t1, then we substitute. بعدين the question is determine the angular speed. هلا here in this part, so خلينا نشوف the solution here. This is s, theta equal s over r, then we obtain theta. This theta at any time, this is important here. Now لما بيسألني بالpart 2 angular speed, so لما أحكي عن angular speed, كلمة angular speed this means theta prime. طب أنا معي theta, so شو بعمل بس? We do only a derivative. Then after finding theta prime, the question is determine the linear speed of the particle or the linear speed using two methods. لما بيقول لي linear speed, linear معناتها قصده فيها v. angular speed معناتها قصده فيها theta prime. so حتى يميز لي بيناتهم بيقول لي linear speed. هلا إذا قال لي بس speed كمان so قصده linear speed يعني قصده v. Now in this case the first method is what? Is to do v equal s prime. معنا نحنا ال s, so بعمل لها derivative, then we will have v. The second method is to apply the relation between v and the angular system واللي هي v equal r theta prime. Also we have the radius, we found theta prime, then we'll have the same answer. So إن كنت اشتغلت بالrelation ولا اشتغلت بالrule تبع ال anti-system, we'll have the same answer. This is part 3. Now in the part 4, determine the angular acceleration. This is what we call theta double prime. and then calculate the linear acceleration. When we say linear acceleration means A، يعني A كلها بدي، واللي هي إذا متذكر بتساوي radical an square and plus at square. So like in here we have part 4 and part 5. Part 4 بدي angular acceleration, so we do the derivative. هيا this theta prime، هيدي theta prime، theta double prime angular acceleration يعني بدي أعمل derivative للسبيد. Theta prime by another derivative will have 4. This will be angular acceleration. Now how to find the linear acceleration for t1 equal 1 second? Linear acceleration قلنا هي معناتها ال a. So هي كلها radical an square plus at square. And بدو إياها at the instant t equal 1 second. So أول شي لازم نطلع ال an ولازم نطلع ال at and then we substitute. ال an هي equal to r theta prime square. We have the radius. We have theta prime. هيها 40 minus 0.5. بس أنا بدي إياها at equal 1 second. So بعملها substitution at t equal 1 second. And then we'll have an. Now at شو بتساوي ال at? It's equal to r theta double prime. هيا this theta double prime طلعناها. We have the radius. Then we can find at. After finding an and at, then we can apply the rule. By applying the rule, we'll have a equal radical an square plus at square, and this will be the answer. This is the linear acceleration.